is working with MS Word. What is this MS Word? Yes, you all are very much aware of Microsoft Office PowerPoint, which you people have learned in third standard also and fourth standard also. And you all know that it is a product of Microsoft Office suite, right? Where we created the presentations, right? Now, this MS Word, that is Microsoft Office Word, is used to creating the documents. Okay, what are these documents? Documents may be anything. You might have seen your teachers giving you question papers, right? That will be prepared using Microsoft Office Word, and your project reports, notes, okay, question papers, all these things, any document which is having a text, okay, all the text which is containing a text, that can be created using Microsoft Office Word. Okay, here this is not only creating, children, this Microsoft Office Word is very easy to edit the documents. Editing means making the changes in the present document. Okay, so that is the main feature of this Microsoft Office Word. Here you can make the colorful letters, style texts, inserting the pictures. All these are the different features we have. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the Microsoft Office Word 2016. In this lesson we are going to learn about the Microsoft Office Word window, what are its different parts, and what are the word processing features we have, how to create a new document using the Word, and how to insert the text. Inserting the text means what? How to type the text in the document and how to make the changes to that. Then what is word art and how to save the document and how to open and see the document. All these things we are going to learn in today's chapter. Okay, so before we proceed, let us see how to open this Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so for that I'll just show you how to open the document. Okay, I'll just minimize this. I'll show you how to open the document. To open the document, first you must click on Start button. In the Start button, you need to go to All Programs. When you go to All Programs, you will find an option called Microsoft Office. Okay, 2016. Please search for that. Microsoft Office 2016. You all can see on my screen. Click on this and then you have to click on Microsoft Office 2016. When you click on Microsoft Office 2016, it will get open within 1 or 2 seconds. Once it is open, you see this window appearing on the screen. So to create a document, you need to click on blank document. When you click on blank document, you see a window appearing like this on your screen. Okay, so this screen is the Word Office 2016 Word page where you can create your text, you can create your document. So before we start how to create the document, let us learn the different parts of the window. Okay, so we need to know, right, what are the different parts so that we will use. Children, here all the products are of Microsoft Office only, right? So most of the things will be similar to Microsoft Office PowerPoint only. So the first line which you are seeing on the screen, this will be the title bar. We call this as a title bar. Okay, so the title bar displays the name of the application. All of you concentrate on my mouse arrow. Okay, children, see, you can see this is Word, the name of the application, and you can see before that document 1 is written. This is the default name given to this document. When you save this document by giving some name, then that file name will be displayed in this place. Okay, so this is a default document name. Okay, so now after this, when you come down, you can see file. This is a menu. When you click on the file menu, you see so many options like info, new, open, save, save as, print, share. All these are the different options. Okay. So to go back to document, click on the back arrow. And next to the file menu, you people will find the different tabs. You can see on the screen my mouse pointer where I'm pointing, home tab. Okay, this is home tab, insert tab, then design tab, layout tab, preferences tab. Like this, we have different tabs. And when you click on the different tab, below the tab, you see the different groups. And within the groups, we have different commands on which we will work. Okay, so now when you go to home tab, within the home tab, you can see these many commands are grouped together and they are kept in the clipboard group. And again, see all the doc commands which are related to the font appearance. These are grouped together and they are placed under the font group. Again, next is paragraph group, styles group. Like this, we have different groups under the different tabs. Okay, so within the groups we have the command options. Clicking on them, we will perform the action. Okay, so now what to do? Let us begin typing. Before we that, let's see what is this. This is called as ruler. We call this as a ruler, children. Okay, so this ruler will show us the margin and the typing area. You can see here it is little grayish color. Means here this is the margin I have set. When you are writing in your page also, what you will do? You will see one red color line to the left of the page where you will not be writing, right? So that is a margin which you have to leave and further you have to continue. So this is also the margin of the page, and from here till here you can type your text. And again, this is called as right margin. This is called as left margin and this is called as a right margin. And now this blinking line is called as cursor. What we will call cursor. This you know, you people have studied in the first standard itself, right? The blinking line is a cursor and it shows the insertion point of an alphabet. Means what is that? It shows where the character will appear on a page. Okay, so that position of a character it will show us. Okay, so now below this you can see this is called a status bar. When you see the status bar, on the status bar to the left of the status bar, page 1 of 1 means what it is showing? It is showing the status of the document. In this document we have one page and we are within the first page. Why we have only one page? Because we have not completed the page. Once I complete the first page, automatically I will get the second page, third page, fourth page, like that. We keep on getting the pages. Now, next to that, you can see 0 words are there. Means there are no words because I have not typed anything. Once I start typing, then you can see the word count over there. Once you press a space bar, then left to that, whatever you have written, that will be considered as one word. Okay, so it will start counting the words. And on the status bar, if you come to the right side, you have the different views, and this is called a zoom slider where you can zoom in and zoom out the page. Okay, so this is about the different parts of the window. Now let's begin how to type. Okay, so I will just use my keyboard to type the content. Okay, welcome to computer class. Okay, so now today, sorry children, today we are going to learn about the different option present in Microsoft. So what I did, Microsoft Office Word 2016, full stop. Okay, so what I have done, I have started typing and I have typed 2 lines. So now if you see, Here I have not completed the line. So to come to the next line, what I did, I have used my enter key. You all know that you have to come to the next line by pressing the enter key. This is how we are going to type the text. Okay, now for this document, we need to have a heading, right? And heading should be beautiful, looking different, smart, right? So for that, we have an option called word art. Okay, for that, you should go to insert tab. In the insert tab, you have an option called A. In which group? Everybody should concentrate now. In the home insert tab, in the text group, I have an option called A. So this is insert word art. When you click on this, it will show you the different options which are present in the word art. Whichever the thing you want to insert, please click on that. So when you click on that, it will show your text here, right? So what you should do, you can pull it up holding like this and just press F2 button and delete this text, and you can write word 2016. Okay, this is my heading. So I wrote word 2016. This is my heading. Okay, now if you want to change the color or the letter or the size of this, you can do all those things. Now I want to give red. See, I have changed it. How I did? For doing anything here in the word, you need to select the text. Why we have to select the text? Because the computer should come to know, right, for what text what I am doing. If I am not doing that, then the computer will not come to know. It is same like when I want to tell some students to stand up, how I will tell, how I will select the students? I will tell them by calling their name. How? Suppose, for example, Kirtana, Safa, all these children, please stand up. Like this, the teacher will tell, right? So, if the teacher is not taking the names, what will happen? All the children who are there in the class, everybody will stand or nobody will respond. Why? Because they don't know to whom the teacher is telling. In the same way, here also in the word, if I want to do some changes for the text which I have typed, I have to select before doing anything. And how to select the text? To select the text, what you should do is, first you should take the cursor to the starting point from where you want to select the text. Suppose, for example, here in this document, I want to select the text from welcome to computer class. From welcome to computer class till here, the first line. So what I will do, I will take the cursor to the first point and press and drag on with the mouse. With the help of mouse, you need to drag. So when you drag this, the text got selected. After selecting the text, whatever you want to do, you can do. Either you can change the font color, font size, font style, all these things. Or if you want to copy and make a duplicate of that same text. Now I want to copy the same thing and I want to make the duplicate. Now I have selected it, right? I have selected it. So what I will do, after selecting this, I have selected the text now. Okay, after selecting this, in the home tab, I will click on copy. So when I click on copy, my text is copied. So I want to place it down here. So where you want to place, there you should take your cursor. Now I want to paste it here. So I took the cursor over there. After taking the cursor there, you need to click on home and you need to click on paste. So when you click on paste, whatever the text you have selected, that will be copied. Now you can see on the screen, whatever the text I have selected, the same text is being copied one more time here. So we have a keyboard shortcut also for this. To select, after selecting, to copy the text, you can press Ctrl C from the keyboard. Ctrl C is a shortcut key for copying the text. Now, to paste the text, you can use Ctrl V. From the keyboard, there is a key called Ctrl CTRL, Ctrl plus V. Okay, holding the control button, you need to press V. Control V is for paste. Control C is for copy. Control V is for paste. So what this paste will do, what this copy will do, the copy option will allow you to make a duplicate copy of a selected text. Right? Now, imagine that I don't want a duplicate copy. I want to move this welcome to computer class from here and put it over here to the last line. I don't want on the top. That time you need not to copy the text. What you can do, select the text. After selecting the text in the home tab, instead of copy, you need to click on cut. When you click on cut, see, the text is being removed from that place. Okay, it is being cut from that place. Now take the mouse pointer where you want to insert the text. After taking the mouse pointer over there, go to home tab. In the home tab, please click on the paste. Now you see what happened. From the top line, the text is being removed or moved from the top line to the last line. Wherever I wanted to move, I have moved it, right? So this is called as moving the text. Okay, so for remove the text from the top, for cut option, the shortcut key is Control X. Okay, Control X, that is cut. So now what we have done till here, we have learned how to type the text and how to type the word art and how to copy the text and paste it, how to cut the text and paste it. This much we have learned till now. Now I hope everybody understood everything clearly. Now after this, suppose I am typing something. Okay, I am typing that Word is used to create the documents and we can edit it easily according to our requirements. Okay, now imagine I have done something wrong. So MENTS, right? So what I will do, MENTS I have written. So now you can see it is showing wrong with the red line. How to correct? I have to go and correct the spelling. So for that we have to use backspace key. Now see, if you click on backspace key, it will remove the alphabet. Now I will click on the correct spelling and I will correct it. Okay, so this is how using the backspace key. Suppose for example, you don't want this whole sentence. So what you can do, you can select the whole sentence. After selecting the whole sentence, you can click on delete button. Now see, when you click on delete button, what will happen? All the selected text is deleted. The delete button is on the keyboard. Okay, so what happened? The selected text is being deleted. Okay, so this is how to delete the text. Okay, so I will just do, oh, by mistake I deleted, I wanted it, but I deleted it. How to get it back? For that also we have an option called undo. What we call undo. Okay, so you all are very much aware of quick access toolbar, which you have seen in the PowerPoint also. There also you have learned what is undo, right? So this is an undo button which you are seeing now. So undo, undo when you click, see whatever you have deleted, it will be back on the screen. Okay, so it will cancel the last action. Okay, undo means it will cancel the last action. Now I have got it back. Okay, so oh, I got it back, but it is not suiting. I would have deleted it only. Like that, if you fail, you can click on redo. See, if you click on redo, what will happen? It will cancel the undo. Redo will cancel the undo. Undo will cancel the last action and redo will cancel the undo action. Okay. So for redo, for undo also you have the shortcut keys. For the shortcut key for undo is Control Z. What we call Control Z. Control Z is undo. Control Z is undo. And see, you can do undo by using Control Z. Now, if you want to redo, what you should do? Control Y. Control Y is for redoing. Okay. So, Control Z is for undo. Control Y is for redo. I hope everybody have understood clearly. So, Control C means copy. Control V means paste. Control X means cut. Control Z means undo. Control Y means redo. Okay. Then we also learned how to do the correction in the text which we have typed. And after that, how to delete the unwanted text. And we also came to know that before we do anything, selecting the text in the document is very, very important, without which we cannot do any editing work in the document. I hope till here everybody have understood clearly without having any doubt. Okay. Now I want to save my document. How to save my document? To save my document, I need to click on the file menu. Where I need to click on? File menu. If you click on file menu, you will get an option called save. So please click on the save option. When you click on the save option, you can see on OneDrive, this PC, add, place, browse. Like this, different options you will get. So first go to this PC because I want to save in this computer. So go to this PC and see, after going to this PC, you can browse where you want to save. So I want to save in the document. So click on the document and here we have to give the file name. So here what I will give the file name as my first document. My first doc. I'm giving the file name as my first doc. Okay. And I'm clicking on save. When I click on save, now you people can observe that my first doc is appearing on the title bar. I told you in the beginning of the session that if you give the file name, that file name will be displayed here. By default, what was seen? By default, it was seen as document1. But once I save the document, it will be replaced with the name which I have given to save the document. Okay, so this is how to save your document. Okay, so for that what we should do? Click on file and then click on save. Okay, now I will close this document. Okay, by clicking on into mark, which you already know, I will close. Now, how to open and see back my document? For that, click on start button. In the start button, open the Word 2016. When you click on open Word 2016, you can see if you have opened it recently. Okay, then that will be appearing here only in the recent. Here only it is appearing in the recent. If it is not appearing in the recent, then you can go to open other documents. Here also you can go to browse and in this you should go to documents because I have saved it in the documents and my file name was my first doc. Select the file which you want to open. After selecting the document, please click on open button. When you click on open button, you can see your document will be opened on the screen. Okay, so now if you want to edit, suppose if you want to continue typing, see you can continue here typing. Okay, how to continue? Just press enter where you want to type and you can start typing on it, right? You can start typing on it. Now, today we have learned how to type the text in the Word document and how to edit the document and saving and opening the document. See, I have added some text to the document. Okay. So now when I want to close this, it will ask me, do you want to save the changes you want to make the document? Then you should click on S if you want to save. If you don't want to save, then you can click on no. Then whatever the changes you have made, that will not be saved in your document. I hope till here everything is clear for you all. You have all gone through the chapter and you have understood. So now let us start the worksheet part. Okay, so let us see what worksheets we have for this lesson. Okay, so let's see. The first thing is fill in the blanks. We will start with fill in the blanks, children. Okay,